Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory 2022. Welcome to the news from MOTORCYCLES.NEWS/EN. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel to get the most important motorcycle news every day. Aprilia has unveiled the Tuono 660 Factory for 2022 at the EICMA show. It is an upgraded version that has more power and is equipped with a better suspension. The Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory gets the engine setup of the RS 660, meaning 5 PS more power, and finally the 100 PS that is also available in the Aprilia RS 660. In terms of weight, 2 kilograms have been saved by using a lithium-ion battery. The dry weight here is given as 181 kilograms. Those who want to save a little more weight can choose the optional single-seat configuration. A pinion with one tooth less has been installed to improve the performance even further. The Tuono 660 Factory is equipped with an upgraded suspension. The 41mm Kayaba fork is adjustable in preload, compression and rebound. The Sachs shock absorber can be adjusted in damping. The preload can also be adjusted, but this requires a hook wrench. Standard on the factory is the quick shifter, plus cornering ABS, cornering traction control and cornering lights. Otherwise, the same systems are used as in the standard version. It will be offered exclusively in the color Factory Dark, a matte black. It has not yet been announced when and at what price it will be available at dealers. Thanks for watching.